Hello, friends. The Last Friday was basically my seventh week of resolution. So, over these 7 weeks, I have been on a daily basis reading 1 hour book and doing 1 hour of morning walk. Other than that, as I said, I have been trying to follow a morning routine. So, I have been trying to get up at 5, though 4 is, becoming really tough for me because, like, I have a family and we mostly sleep at around 10:30, 10. So 4 would be too early for me, probably 5:36 hours. So I'm trying to see the best time that I can wake up, and as early as I can wake up. Till now I have been waking up at 5. The last week I actually also did I have time blocking, but the thing is, as I told you in my last video, I've been mostly thinking around ideas which I can actually work on, and that has been taking a lot of my time, probably throughout my day. And basically, time blocking, I'm not able, like I have a tendency to kind of not follow that time blocking. I will be honest to you, and even today, if you would say, I have been planning, I have been maintaining gratitude notebook, but even today, if you would say, I have not followed my plan for some reason. I keep on not following it, so I need to break that thing. Other than that, last week I actually did a water fast, which was for around for 3.5 days. I will put a video around it. It was actually meant to be around 7 days, but then because of some reason I had to break it in between. I will put a video, and other than that, like, I have been following some of the very good videos online from Improvement Pill and other channels, which have been helping me out to develop good habits. So I have been developing habit to take cold shower on in the morning, and then trying to fast, adopt various fast routines. I told you about water fast that I did. Then I have been trying intermittent fasting to lose weight, um, and what else? So I meditate every day, right? Like, I get up, I go for a walk, I read books, um, I meditate, and then I have been planning, maintaining a gratitude journal, though I have not been, sticking to planning as I would have liked to. But yep, I'm still hopeful I will get to it. The one thing that remains is I have some good ideas, but being an engineer, I feel the power that I have in building an app which I can scale to potentially millions engines would help me achieve my goal in a faster way. But most of my ideas are offline, uh, in buildings related to real estate and stuff. So that's another reason I have been thinking about more ideas. Hopefully I will get one, a good idea really soon. I need to get a good idea really soon. And then what else? So yep, my resolution for this week would be, in the coming, starting from today, say, like, I have been actually taking cold shower in the morning from 2 days, but even in the evening I want to take warm shower. So I have to maintain, like, I started to try getting a good morning routine. I have been mostly successful to do so. 5 o'clock, get up, go for a walk, take a cold shower, go do yoga, um, start your day with MITs and stuff like that. I have been trying to do that and mostly successful. Towards end of the day, I will try to get a schedule around that. So basically, maybe having a meal, then around 7, going to take a warm shower, read book, uh, trying to capitalize my time to the best, in the best way possible. And hopefully, once I'm done with uh, getting a good evening schedule, I will basically expand it to throughout the day. So that's the whole plan, basically. Plan the whole day in a calculated way rather than doing anything. Or so I do plan, but I'm not sticking to it. And probably the one thing that I learned in from Improvement Pill was the habit generation algorithm. So that is something, which goes by queue. And queue here can be, I have a queue for evening, I have a queue for morning, and then I would need to decide what can I fill in the day. Yep. So that's the update from my end. um, and oh yeah, again for the book review video, I tried it very hard, but I was not able to upload because it was around 2 GB. So maybe I will try to decrease the length and upload it, give one more attempt. I have still been reading personal MBA. Once I am finished, I will upload that video as well. Thank you.